Munter, I get asked how I can tell if there's fraud in a government contracting case, and there's a lot to review. Obviously, you need to know about the contract itself. If you suspect fraud within a government contracting case, it's important to know whether or not the government is already aware of any changes in the way the contractor is fulfilling the terms of the contract. Perhaps the government has been made aware of changes and is effectively waiving the specific provision of a contract, or is in agreement with the new way that a contractor is going forward. Or maybe the government isn't aware at all, and maybe the contractor is hiding from the government changes to the way it's fulfilling its contractual obligations, or maybe it simply isn't fulfilling its contractual obligations. When the government really is being lied to, when the contractor is misrepresenting the performance of the contract, the terms of the contract, the way the contract will be performed, or the way the materials used to fulfill the contract, or any material term, then it may be time to investigate filing a case under the Federal False Claims Act.